Hello, and welcome to Teaching Tuesday. I'm Heather McGee. Today we're going to make origami rolling worms. What? Kind of a crazy idea. Now, we made some of these things before. They've got different names. Cattails, jack-in-the-box pieces. We're going to call them the worm today. And I'm going to show you how to roll them down a board or a couch cushion. I have a board set up on a chair. Watch what happens when I send this little guy down. Oh, it goes right off the edge. Here we go. Let's try again. Look at that. Somersaults right down. And we're going to let them go tumbling down a slope. And they'll go kind of like a slinky, where they go head over tail and somersault right down the line. So I've got a couple different sizes here. You can make them whatever size you'd like, and it takes a little experimentation to see just the right angle for your board. The first thing we're going to do is cut some strips of paper. On the short side of your paper, the short side should be 9 inches if you're using a piece of regular construction paper. Measure 1 inch down on the side. 1 inch right here. 1 inch on the other side. And now connect those with one line. If you need an adult person to hold on to that ruler for you to keep it from sliding, go ahead and do that. Now cut that strip right off of the end of your paper. You are not going to use this piece. There we go. And now you have one sheet of paper, but it's skinnier. Fold it long ways like a hot dog bun. Fold it one time in half, long ways. Make a nice sharp crease there. And now take the folded side and you're going to fold again long ways. Really long and skinny. Crease that down also. When you open up your sheet of paper, you have 4 sections. Cut each one of those out so that you have 4 strips. Once you have your strips cut out, lay your strips out so they look like they're going to make 2 long strips. That's actually what you're going to do. With your glue stick, put a little bit of glue on the ends of 2 of your strips, overlap with another one, and press it down so that you're going to have 2 long strips of paper. Leave 1 strip here. Take the other strip and it's going to go perpendicular. That means it's going to go up and down while your other one is going side to side. Your 2 ends will overlap on top of each other. Like that. It will make an L. Glue on the bottom here because we want that L to stay right where we put it. Cover that up right there. See the L? There is a fold from the top piece, the top of the L here. It's got that on top. Now there's a little edge right here. I'm going to fold the side of the L over and squish it down. Now your L is going the other direction. Take the top part, this top leg of the L is going to bend down on that fold and cover it up also. And now your L is completely upside down, isn't it? Going to continue this folding, going side to side and up and down. Do not flip this over. Do not flip it over. Just keep it right there and squish down every fold that you make. Just moving the legs side to side and up and down. You just keep moving them, folding them over top, and finally you get to this very last section. Now you don't have enough here to fold over again. So we're going to open this up and glue this last little piece in here. That's the last full fold you were able to make. Now fold the top over and squish it tight. Now you have these little ends. You don't need those anymore. So with your scissors, you can just trim them off. Just like that. And then you have this fun little shape. I'm going to put a face on my shape because it makes it kind of fun. Circle eye. And then a little circle inside of it that I'm going to fill in. And a smiley face, because if I were rolling down a hill, I think I would be smiling too. There. And you have your little roly-poly. Need a board or maybe a couch cushion. Hold it tight at the top, sit it right down, and let it go. And it somersaults right down the board. Isn't that neat? If it falls off the bottom, you can just try it again. You can make different sizes. Maybe you can race with other people. And there you have it. A little bit more origami, that's paper folding, and a rolling worm, one that does somersaults right down a board. Have fun making them, and I'll talk to you again next week. Goodbye.